What if I told you a 50-horsepower van could sleep 4 people and still make modern campers feel a little embarrassed? What if your entire vacation fit inside something smaller than your neighbor's garage fridge? And what if this tiny British van just sold for serious money? Yeah, this little box has big attitude. Ladies and gentlemen, I once had a neighbor who bought a massive RV with 3 TVs, 2 bathrooms, and 1 personality problem. The thing was so big it needed GPS just to find the kitchen. Then I showed him this 1961 Bedford Dormobile, and suddenly his luxury palace on wheels looked like overcompensation. Even my buddy Timmy said, if I had this, I'd never go home again. Which is exactly what his ex-wives were afraid of. Smash that button for more insane vehicles, because this channel is cheaper than therapy and way more fun. Now, let's rewind to the early 1960s. Britain was doing what Britain does best, building practical machines with just enough charm to make you forgive their quirks. Bedford, founded back in 1931 under Vauxhall and General Motors, was already known for reliable commercial vehicles. Then came the CA van in 1952, and I believe this was the moment everything clicked. Simple, versatile, and easy to fix. Even Timmy could probably fix it, which is both impressive and slightly terrifying. What made it special? The chassis? It was adaptable, durable, and perfect for conversions. And that's where Martin Walter stepped in, a coach builder with more history than most politicians have excuses. They turned this humble van into the legendary Dormobile caravan. I think what I like the most is how clever it is. Folding seats that turn into beds, compact storage, and just enough space to pretend you're living large. It's not luxury, it's intelligent design. Inside this particular example, things get interesting. You've got modernized cabinets, a sink, a Waco portable fridge, and even a gas camp stove. There's a 40-liter wastewater tank. Yes, this van has seen things, and somehow it sleeps 4 people. 4. I've had couches that refuse to sleep 1. Now driving it, let's be honest. You're not racing anyone. Under the hood sits a 1,500 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine producing about 50 horsepower, or roughly 37 kilowatt-hours. Power goes through a manual transmission, and acceleration is more of a polite suggestion. Top speed. Let's just say you'll have plenty of time to enjoy the scenery, and possibly rethink your life choices. But I think that's the charm. You don't drive this fast. You experience it slowly, like a good song on a cassette tape. Midway question for you. Would you road trip in this tiny camper today, or do you need something bigger? Yes or no? Because this thing isn't just transport, it's a lifestyle statement. A bold one. This 1961 Bedford CA Dormobile caravan sits on a compact platform, roughly around 14 to 15 feet long. Light, simple, and surprisingly capable. It rides on modern Hankook radial tires, includes spare wheels, radiator, and emergency service items. Because let's face it, with classics, just in case is a lifestyle. Originally designed as an affordable working van, today it's a collectible piece. This particular Dormobile sold for $36,400, which is about 33,500 euros. Not bad for something that can double as a hotel room and a conversation starter. But here's the reality check. Owning one means maintenance, hunting for parts and explaining to younger mechanics why everything is so mechanical. So there you have it, a 1961 Bedford Dormobile. Small, clever, slightly ridiculous, and absolutely unforgettable. If you enjoyed this, consider becoming a channel sponsor for just $1. $1. That's less than what Timmy once spent on premium bait, which turned out to be bread again. Link is in the description. Support the channel, keep the stories alive. And remember, sometimes the smallest RV brings the biggest adventures. Timmy says hi, and he's still looking for fish.